Good morning, students. Okay, so this is the first topic for our final term. No, so I hope this video finds you well, and I hope dili na mo busy, because it's been a while since the last time I issued um tutorial. I intentionally decided to do it because I'm sure daghan pud mong mga himuonon sa laing subjects. Okay, so karon I hope you will have enough time for this topic to watch it and study it. Okay, so let's get started. So in this particular session, I will be introducing to you the if statement. Okay, what is if statement? So in programming, um, naatay natay mga himuon nga mogamit ani nga if statement. So let's say for example you want to evaluate something, or evaluate some condition to execute a certain code. So mo na atong himuon, mo na gamit anang if statement. So um, a good example na is, let's say for example you need to determine kung ang grado sa bata, if he make it or not. Let's say if he passed or not. Okay, so remember that we have to have a certain condition, no? Ang condition probably ana is kung atong tinamban nun is the grade of the student is equal or greater than 75. So again, is greater than or equal 75. If that is the condition, then the grades of that student could have a remarks of passed. But if the grade of the student is less than or below 75, then obviously he failed. Okay, so how do we do that? In mo na to sabot sa if statement, no? If, then condition. If the condition is true, then he will execute something. If not, then he will execute another thing. So for the example that I just mentioned to you, if the condition is true, then it will execute let's say we will put a um, console write line congratulations, you passed. But if the condition of the grades is will not result to true because his grades is not equal or greater than 75, then he will execute something. He will execute maybe sorry, just try it a little harder next time. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, but the meantime, I'll give you an example of Kwanzaa, very basic example of a condition. Okay, now we will use logical condition operator. So when you say logical, okay, mo na sada ang less than, greater than, equal, less than or equal, greater than or equal, or not equal. Okay, so sige, I'll give you a notes. Okay, logical operator. So may mga logical operator man na kana that is greater than, okay, kana that is less than. It's pretty basic na you have already this in your high school. Y dash na ako na siya. Pero klaro. Okay. Logical operators, no? Or okay, say logical or conditional, no? Let's put it conditional. What else? So, sorry. Well, money equal um, probably ang inyo na iba na equal is ana, but in programming double equal sign na mo na equal, and then greater than or equal, say greater than or equal, and then less than or equal mo na sa format sa sorry, less than or equal, and then nasa tayo sa the Monazai logical not. Okay. Muna logical operators, conditional operators. Okay. So a good example, let's say if we will use the logical operators na greater than. So, ang example na is, let's say, 15 is greater than 10. So, if this is your condition, okay, it will result to true. Okay? But, if may go kag 10 is greater than 15, then obviously, it will result to false. Okay? Let's take this again, another less than. So let's say may ngon kag 100 is less than 500, then that is true. Okay, however kung maingon po ka og 500 is less than 200, then that will result to false because dako ang 500. How about equal? So, ang equal is mean kag 100 is equal to 100, then it will result to true. Okay. Then 101 is equal to 100, and then it will result to false. Now, how about greater than or equal? So, say mean kag 100 is greater than or equal to 100 is greater than or equal to 101. So remember, there is a greater than or equal, no? So 100 is greater than ba or equal to 100? 100 is greater than or equal to 101 ba? So obviously this will result to false because 100 is not greater than 101. And then if you evaluate the equal, 100 is equal to 101 ba? Then again, it is still false because they are not equal. So because 101 is greater than 100, so this will result to false. But if the example is 101 greater than or equal to 100 ba? Okay? Itong ibali ha. Is 100 greater than or equal to 100? This will result to true because 101 is greater than 100. It may not be equal, but naman tay greater than nga operator. So remember, duha ka condition ang imong gitest dire sa 101. Is 101 greater than ba or equal? So may ka greater than, true na sa dadaan. Ug may ka og equal, they are not equal, but 101 is greater than 100, so again this will result to true. Alright, another for the less than or equal. So let's say 50 is less than or equal to 49. Kita haya, is 50 less than 49? False. Is 50 equal to 49? False gyapon. So this will result to false. Next, but if may is 49, let's say 47 less than or equal to 47. Okay, 47 is not less than, no. So false is the direct 47 is less than 47. It is not, because they are equal. Nasa second operator na may equal. So again, this will result to true. Okay. Logical not. Kanang logical not. Balik. No? Murag. Kung sa kuan papildigana. No? Let's say may 50 is not equal to 50. Are they not equal? Are they not equal? This will result to false because they are equal. But og moingon ka og 51 is not equal to 50, then it is true. Kaya dili man sila equal niya. Not equal man na. Logical not. Okay. So, let's go now with the example. Using the if statement na. Again, students, this is the condition. Kana, manay condition, manay mga condition. Okay. So, for example, check. 11 minutes. So, let's say statement. Okay. Okay. Suppose we have a variable, no? Say int, double na lang grade, because ang grades simple na dyan nga na dyan kuwaki. Let's say for example 75.4. Double because nasa decimal. Okay. Now, suppose that your program is to make an evaluation for a grade of a student if he passed or failed. How do we do that? This is why we will use now the if statement. So the syntax of if statement is like this: if, and then your condition, okay, and then naog kag usa ka line, and then open curly bracket and then close bracket. Okay, why is that, sir? Anong kinahanglan man tag open? Because open curly and closing curly bracket, because again, this is the block of code that must be executed if this condition will result to false. Okay, otherwise wa siya display. Okay, so let's say for example, before I forget, let's say console dot read key, read line key. Okay. Para sa nang read key, para mo kabaw na mo ana. Okay, now what is our condition? Okay, so ang atong condition is ato ni sang i-test kini nga variable nga nagtangag or naghawid og 75.40, atong i-test kung pasar ba ni siya or hagbong. Okay, so nga rita mo butang sa atong condition. So if grade is greater than or equal to 75, because mao man ni atong standard kung pasar ba sa og ning tungtong siya or ning equal siya 75, then pasar siya. Okay, if ning greater din siya og 75, if ang grade is ning greater than 75, then labing mas pasar siya ana. Okay, so ato sa butangan og may baw-an nato kung pasar ba sa. So right, congratulations, Because kung mutro ni ha, kung mutro ni nga kondisyon, kung ang pag-evaluate ani sa program is true, then moingon tag congratulations. Yan. So, this is a very static program, no? But later on, we will make it more dynamic. Kanang kita mo encode sa grado sa bata. Because obviously, sa may evaluation na pasar sa because the value of the variable grade is 75.40. So, kung imong evaluate ni, meaning to say, ang sud sa grade, mas dako ba or equal to 75? So, obviously, mas dako ni sida, diba? Which is na ni grade, ha? Na ni grade. Value na ni grade. Okay, so, itong tanaw mo gawas ba ni? Kaya ang evaluation na ni will be true. Obviously, it will be true. Again, because dako ang 75.40 sa 75, which is muna itong condition. So, let's see. Ayun, congratulations, you made it. Okay. Now, how about kung ato ning usbon? Let's say, for example, itong himong 74. Okay. Tanaw na. Kung mugawas pa ba ang congratulations, you made it? Wala. You see? Wala siya gigawas nga naman because kung imong tan-awon sa program, i-execute lang niya ning congratulations, you made it if the condition will yield or will result to false. Now, in this particular example, the value of your grade variable is 74.00. So, iyang gi-evaluate is 74 because again, ang 74 sud na ni grade, ha? Naana ni grade. So, is 74.00 is greater than or equal 75 ba? So, dili. So, false siya. So, meaning to say, kini nga code, kini diri nga code, dili ni niya i-execute. Nga man, false man. Okay, I hope you understand, ha? Okay. So, sige. What if, sir, og butangan na to, sir, og sige, sir, ato butangan og kuan, ato butangan og message nga nahagbong siya. Okay, we can do that by simply say console dot read console write line. Yeah, because I'm lazy, I'm just gonna copy this one and paste it. Why dautan sa copy paste? Importante kasabot baka sa imong gi copy paste. Okay, sorry, you didn't make it. You did not make it. Okay, dato ni i-obos. Sorry na lang yung matindot niya. Sorry. Sige. So karon ang mahitabuan ay kung dili ni satisfy, kung dili ni mo resolve to true, ang iyang execute is dili ni. Instead kini ang iyang execute para sa false nga result. So you see, sorry you didn't make it because ang imong grado nga gibutang sa imong variable nga grade is 74. Okay? Now, let's say what if ugatong is 78. See kung unsa mo result. So, sorry. Because nahagbong ni because wa ni say ato ni sa butangan og else ang iyang pares. Okay? Pero di na siya mo resolve. Dili siya mo gawas. Okay? So again, og mo true ni ha? Kini mo iyang i-print or iyang ipagawa sa mga. If false, add to sa isang else statement. So may isang else statement kini. Okay, so let's start. Congratulations, you made it. Again, the grades, the value of the variable grade is 78. So pag evaluate niya, this is true because dako ang 78 kontra 75, then kana may magawas. Okay. What if wag atong ipahagbong, sir? Let's say 69. Nga ba yung other 69? Ayaw, sir. 70 na lang. Okay, so let's run. Sorry, you did not make it. Hinga na ka simple. Okay?